me fabricate story and put out for people. Then can't cuss you and tell you things where they know. Listen. Number one, 1-800 ice. Me not top call. Me, as friend as me and them be. As friend as me and them be for 15 blood clot here. Tell them to tell you a secret or me tell them. If me tell you say that if my man them no know. Because I watch them motive all the while and see how they live. And she say them and nobody can agree. And any little thing them, me say, you say, me say, you say. So oh, you go to them with things. You only tell them the things them what you want everybody else to know. Then girl them and them a friend for 15 years and they don't know where me live. Then can't tell you what number they on me gate. And the girl come yesterday and I tell people say, me live a capture land. When the nasty, dirty thinking girl knows say me never live a capture land from me barn. Come on now.
I never capture land I live.
Eh?
Why me, you know, me think I capture land I used to live.
Me live at Angel Estate. The man where fuck me live at capture land.
I say you go on. You think I capture land I come from?
Jesus Christ. That's why
you always go over there.
The man where fuck me live over there, so me have to go over there every day for him see me. He want to see me every day. Me can't miss a day. And that I kill them. Me can't miss a day.
You live at Angel Estate and Spanish Town that me say a top girl, you know.
Come on, King, me go run off on my page, you know. You know, you tell us a be like the girl come over here tell. A be like the girl knows so me live at Angel Estate. From the girl know me at Angel Estate me live.
When I live at Spanish Town and live at Angel Estate and Willowdene, where that scheme the name of Willowdene again, that gated place.
Sit them, you know where at Signam Villa.
You know, them gated place, them man, may I tell you. Just like how you are Kingston Valley is and
King. From the girl know me first day. Me live at Angel Estate. Me never left until me come a foreign. Never left until me come a foreign. And the girl dep on the internet yesterday, I tell people say, oh, me live a capture land and when me a do over capture land and when that me a King. Me a top girl.
yeah. We believe you.
King, me say me a top King. Me no repeat me clothes them.
Yeah.
King. A sneakers me wear every day. Me put my sneakers them on my bed and take picture and full off my bed. One girl named Bunny Dung and one girl named Marva, me a show them. See them always, I say, what sneakers you have? And me a show them. I say, Jesus Christ. When me a put out my drawers them, me drawers them full off my king size bed. Me have 150 drawers. Me love enough drawers. I have 2 brassiere. 2 single 2. Cause me like when me go around and them I say, your nipple is stiffy. Me don't know something me like, so me don't like wear brassiere.
You know, me don't wear underpants neither.
Me say, King, me don't like brassiere. 2 brassiere for 150 drawers.
Show you, me no, I don't own one people, I don't own one underpants. I swear for my mother life, I don't own no underpants.
Yeah?
Me no wear underpants.
But 150 drawers me have. One of my 2 brassiere then can serve me for 10 years, cause when me do put on one something wrong.
Me no wear, I same with me with underpants. Anybody will know me, know say me no wear underpants.
See number, number 24, 23. See there? 1-866-347-2423. Ice number 8 me call today. So from me see it, me know it. Yeah? A 2 number me have for ice. That one there. And another one when me come, let me tell you another ice number. 2 of them me have. Where another one there? Let me tell you another one. 2 of them me use. One when me da call last night and they say, you have to go up and sit there. Where there? Why does it not come up on my blood clot? Let me tell you another ice number. 2 me have. Come here, boy. Alright, see 23, 24 at the, oh, they say enough issue. 23, 24 at top. So that one there at top. And another one with the 2900. 2 ice number me have. One of them have me on the phone for over 2 hours to blood clot. I chat for long, then question you for blood clot. I'm kill you with question. When I tell you, say, you don't know exactly this, and them ask you exactly that, you say, no, me no. Like, they want to see if I lie, you tell, because they ask you, but like a quote you there. They ask you, and I ask you, the person have papers, no. How she enter the United States? Then you, after you and them talk again, then come back to you and say to us again. The person is a permanent resident. Lady, me not tell you, say, across the border, a person come. But you not talk to them like that, you know. Then carry your own, and then you and them talk for another 20 minutes, and then they say, is the person a U.S. citizen? And you say, no, she come cross the border and tell lie, say she a sodomite. Oh, so she tell a lie? Yes. She tell them, say she a lesbian and a lie, she a tell she a lesbian, a be a man fuck her. She no fuck woman. So yeah, explain to them. They have you on the phone over 2 hours. Anybody who ever call ICE and give information can tell you how long you're on the phone, So yeah, me I explain to them and tell ICE.
If you report somebody to ICE, ICE not going to tell us say you have to submit evidence.
You know, yeah, me tell them say if me can't just walk in my office. She said me have to make the appointment 3 days before. She said, I have to make the appointment 3 days before and then go there. But
ICE not going to take the report over the phone. You have to submit evidence and everything.
No,
that's why when you hear some people...
They have something they know.
Email.
Gov.com, icegov.com, something like that. I forgot what name. That know where you put in all of the information and submit it.
But you have to know them address and everything.
The original number, like a line jump to blood clot. Beep, line jump to blood clot. You have to wait for 10 hours. Yeah, so you have to work with what them give you. And them tell you confidential. Alright, them start pay people now too. So me go and wait see if me can get on $2 too. $2 more, no more than one. Yeah. Tisha! What's up? So keemking me I tell you say, and every day me got a place.
More do want your report hard though. God no, more do want your report.
Destiny can tell us that me don't live there. If you hadn't talked to
Destiny like a dose.
Yeah,
me hate that like a dose of poison.
Alright.
Me hate that like a dose of poison.
Alright, look at now. Me just show you something simple. Remember I know. You see, you don't have to say nothing, you know. Just make me alone talk. Me know Destiny mother, me know her father, me know everybody for you. Me know Destiny from in little bit, from in her belly, from him a come up and everything. You know, so when me see Destiny on TikTok, me never know say him. Remember I know a place so me there every day Destiny there, you know. Because guess why me never know say him? Him have on a wig. So how me I go see a man when me no see fit soon 30 blood clot here and know say him. And Destiny we growing on me hand. Me step on internet and no know say Destiny. You know how me know say blood clot Destiny? A share box if share wish you speak it to a member that day there. A share box me going in one day, you know. Out of the blues, you know, me just see share and me spirit take her me go in her box one day and Destiny in the box. At same time share say, Destiny say, Rated, you know who this? And Shay say, you know, and Destiny say, you're mad, you can't call them a people your name, whatever. And me say, you know me? And he tell me a wife, me say, blood clot, me no know say him. Me no know say him. And all dirty girl have me up for. Cause me go use one Destiny sound, and when me use the sound,